Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called VTV Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So VTV Therapeutics, they're a clinical stage biotechnology company. They've got some interesting potential medications for a whole bunch of different indications, psoriasis, type 1 diabetes. So let's jump right into it. They have a brand new CEO, Paul Sekra, leadership team, president, and has got a long history, track record of working at different companies, been in the biotechnology field for a long time, so really excited about this. So a couple of the medications that got me excited about this company is one is their oral GLP-1 agonist, TTP-273, for type 2 diabetes. You can see that on the right. And then they have another one for diabetes, for type 1 diabetes. So generally speaking, patients with type 1 diabetes, they're treated with insulin. They're on a basal insulin and a short-acting insulin. And this is a small molecule, oral molecule, TTP-399, which is supposed to be a liver-selective glucokinase activator. Okay, so you're supposed to take that with insulin. And they recently published their phase 2 study, and it showed a 40% reduction in hypoglycemic episodes compared to placebo. And that's pretty good results. Definitely one of the biggest issues with type 1 diabetes is hypoglycemia. And I know what people were thinking. I thought diabetes, you have high blood sugar. That's true. But when you're taking insulin, the whole big risk is you take too much and your blood sugar drops too low. So you really have to be careful of the hypoglycemia and the hyperglycemia. So this medication would hopefully, not increase the risk of ketoacidosis and hopefully reduce the risk of hypoglycemia. And then what I've looked at, it looked like they almost had 600 people in the study, which was good safety and tolerability profile. And this is a different type of medication, a glucokinase activator, the totally different mechanism of action. It's supposed to restore the normal function of the liver in the presence of high levels of sugar. It's supposed to trap that glucose in the liver cells, promoting further glucose uptake for energy, and kind of keep that liver in that fed state, preventing the ketone production. So I'm pretty excited about that. So let's look at the rest of the pipeline here. Here's that TTP-399 GKF activator. They have the GLP-1 agonist. Now they have some PD-4 inhibitors for psoriasis, COPD, atopic dermatitis. Also a range antagonist for pancreatic cancer. So I know what you're thinking. Hey, this is a lot of stuff in the pipeline. Well, this stock's probably very expensive because you got a big pipeline going on here. Well, actually, let's take a look. The stock price may shock you. Stock symbol VTVT, VTVT Therapeutics. So the stock symbol is VTVT. And it's only trading at 83 cents. So this is another potential company I think has a lot of upside, big risk, but potential big upside. I'm going to keep, monitor this company because they're going to have hopefully a placebo-controlled trial for that TTP-399 with type 1 diabetes, larger trial, hopefully, over 1,000 patients, hopefully sometime the start of this fourth quarter of 2022 or beginning of 2023. So I'm going to keep an eye on that, and we'll take a look at what the primary outcomes, because I do think there's a potential upside here. And what the primary endpoints are they going to meet it? So there's a lot of opportunity here. I think they have a compelling pipeline of potential therapies. That's all the time we have for this video. But if you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.